Alright, there's that. Alright, so now we're going to be testing my camera, the microphone edited, and then my phone. Alright, so my phone will have some passes and some effects over it so it doesn't sound like you're being blasted with, I don't know, so I just don't sound like this, goddammit. Because I forgot to completely do that and I feel like a dumbass. And we're going to continue reading quotes from Jeff, because there's nothing else. Alright, first one, which is the camera. Stop helping the weak. He's dead. He's gone. Now, the microphone. At this point, I'd rather brush my teeth with a pair of dicks. The microphone with some edit. I give that motherfucker a buzz cut. Okay. Alright, now my phone. Turn back now if you want. Every time I run around the corner, my nuts get swallowed up by somebody. Yep. Don't forget to check out my other videos, man. Oh, yeah. The Vape On Brothers.